Next video. In today's video of learning Kubernetes, what we will do is that if you remember, inside my Docker playlist we had created a Next.js app which used to communicate with a Node.js app, like a Dockerization of multi-app services. So we will try to do the same thing with Kubernetes. Now what I had done is I have just copy pasted everything from my Docker tutorial of this is my Next.js app and this is my Node.js app. But I will explain you like in a brief, but if you want more detail you can watch that video of mine. And here in Kubernetes we won't use Nginx, we have something called ingress for it, so we will use that. So yeah, first this is my Next.js app, a typical Next.js app, and if you see here I haven't done anything. So inside src page.tsx I was previously calling this, so this is my Node.js app, but I have put it on hold for now and I am just displaying an h1. Once everything from Kubernetes is set up, we will just on comment this so that we can call our Node.js API and display the value over here. But I have kept it pretty simple for now, and I am using the use client directory because there was some issues with the use server because I was not able to really figure it out. But we'll see if we are able, because if you remember from the Docker playlist, when I was using use server, I can't directly call the Node.js API something like this. I have to provide the base URL as well, and the base URL used to be something like nginx colon something. Okay, that's why I have decided to leave it as it is. And here I have created our docker ignore file to ignore the node modules and package log file. Then I have created a docker file as well. You can ignore this docker file.dev because I will be mostly using this docker file. And here you can see that I have I'm extending from node 18, created a working directory, copying package json, running npm install, then copying everything, then running npm run build, then exposing 3000, and then running npm run start. So this is for our next app, and this is our Node.js app. Again, I won't go into much detail, like you can just create a REST API, simple REST API using Express.js, because this video is only about Kubernetes and not about Node.js. And inside the Docker file for Node.js, here you can see I'm created a node 18, extending from node 18, creating a working directory, copying package JSON, running npm install, then copying everything, and then running npm run start. So yeah, that's it for this Next and Node app. Then if you go to K8s, here you can see that I have added this. If you go to K8s, here you can see that I have added this client deployment.yaml file, and I have just copy pasted from what I have shown you in my previous videos. The only important thing is that this should be your image name. So whatever image you have given, this should be that, because whatever you have pushed to Docker Hub. Okay, so if you want, you can use my image as well, that's not a problem. And I have set the container port to 3 and the replicas is 3 as well. Container port is 3000, sorry, and replicas is 3, and the label is component colon web. Then I have created a cluster IP service as well. So here you can see just an API version, and the component is same web, and the port and target port is 3000 as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.